it's Talia and welcome back to my channel. For today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys how to create this blue, purple, smoky eyeshadow makeup tutorial. A little bit of little glitter and a pink just to brighten up the eye look. I'm really excited to show you guys how I create this look. If you guys are new, my name is Talia. Welcome to my channel, guys. Do not forget to subscribe down below. Just hit that red button and the notification bell so you won't miss any videos of mine. Before we get on to the video, I just want to say thank you guys so much for the love and support that I've been receiving on my channel. You guys are super amazing. I just thank you guys so much for the love and support. It makes me so happy and it makes me not give up what I love doing, creating videos. I want to continue YouTube even more and not give up on my goals. Just keep your heads up, keep your chin ups, keep doing your thing. Don't give up on what you love doing, your passion with videos. If you guys want to see how I got this makeup look, then just keep on watching. Off camera, I did my eyebrows and I also primed my eyelids and set it with powder. I'll link all the products down below for you guys. The eyeshadow palette I'm going to be using is the James Charles palette. Using this palette for this makeup look. The first shade I'm going to go in is this shade called Cola, which is more like a blue navy shade. I'm taking this kind of flat brush, this type of angle. For this shade, I'm actually going to apply this and kind of like smudge it in the lid area. This is going to be like my first shade and I'm not going to go over. I'm just going to apply it like in the lid area. I am grabbing a little bit more product. Imagine I just go like this out, like eyeshadow done. I'm looking flawless. Yeah, no. I wouldn't go like that. Same brush. I'm gonna tap all the excess that was in this brush, smoke it, and blend the top crease. Shade I'm going to go in is this shade called Escape, which is more like a dark purple shade. Grabbing this type of angled brush, I'm going to apply it in my crease area, but I'm not gonna go below where I apply my first shade. And then I'm gonna go ahead and just bring it all the way to the inner corner and then to the outer V. Take this Wet n Wild brush and I'm just gonna go ahead and just blend the top. Take this Skip shade, which is this pink pop-up shade. I'm taking this type of angle, applies beneath of my purple shade, just slightly a little, don't press too hard. I take a fluffy brush and then I'm just gonna blend the top area with a little pop of the shade pink. So we're gonna go back with the eyes later and we're gonna start off with their face. I'm gonna go in with my Smashbox Photo Finish Primer. I'm basically gonna focus in the T-zone area. Applying primer makes a huge difference and honestly the primer helps so much by not making it so cakiness. Foundation, I'm gonna go in with my Ulta Beauty HD Soft Focus Liquid Foundation. This one is light warm. Go ahead and just blend my foundation. I go in with my Tarte concealer. This one is the shade Fair Beige. My LA Pro concealer. And take my Makeup Revolution Conceal and Define. This one's the shade C11 to contour. I'm gonna apply it on my forehead area. Go ahead and just blend the contour. Go ahead and blend the concealer. I'm gonna go in with my Maybelline Fit Me Loose Finishing Powder. This one's the shade Fair to Light. And I'm gonna apply it under my eye area, around my mouth, because that's where it creases, and then on my nose area. Powder brush, and I'm just gonna go ahead and just remove that. I'm gonna go in with my Hoola Bronzer. Bronze up my forehead area just to blend in with the contour. Highlighter, I'm gonna go in with my Kylie Cosmetic highlighter, and this one is the shade French Vanilla. Also apply it on the tip of my forehead, tip of my nose, down the bridge of my nose, my cupid's bow area. For blush, I'm gonna go in with my Wet n Wild ombre brush and apply it in the apple of my cheekbone. A little bit of the Tarte concealer, and what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go ahead and just apply the concealer. I am looking at a mirror. If I'm looking down, I'm sorry. I just don't want to mess up with this. I'm gonna go ahead and take this Maybelline Master Holographic highlighter. And I'm just gonna apply this where I apply my concealer on the bottom, and just kind of blend it in with, and take the purple shade and I'm just going to apply this, kind of mix these two shades, a bit of the pink pop, and I'm just gonna blend the top. So I'm gonna go ahead and finish the other eye. For eyeliner, I'm gonna go in with my E.l.f. eyeliner. Go ahead and apply the pink shade on bottom lash line. Go in with the Academic of Color, and I'm gonna go ahead and take this lustre, this more like a silver shade. So I'm gonna apply it in the inner corner of my eyes. Highlight a little bit on the brow bow area, beneath the brow bow. Mascara, I'm gonna go in with my Ulta Beauty mascara. I'm gonna go in with my M.a.c Prep Prime Setting Spray. Kylie Cosmetic lip liner, this one is the shade Candy K. My Kylie Cosmetic lipstick, this one is the shade Birthday Suit. I'm gonna go in with my Innocent lip gloss, this one is the shade Nude Candy. I hope that you guys enjoy this makeup look. I really like how the eyeshadow turned out really pretty, especially the eyeshadow look. If you guys really like this makeup look, please give it a huge big thumbs up. I'll see you guys on the next video. Bye guys.